Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is at schedule annotation in Spring Framework, or how do I schedule a task using Spring Framework. Actually, Spring 3 supports at schedule annotations where you can configure or inform the Spring Framework to run a method at a particular frequency. Processing of schedule annotation is performed by registering schedule annotation being post-processed. This can be done manually or more conveniently through this tag, or you can also use at enable scheduling. Say in your business application you have a method, and that method has to be called every 30 minutes, every 10 minutes, or it depends, every say at 9:30 p.m. or 10 p.m., something like that. You can configure it in Spring, and Spring will take care of calling that method at particular frequency. I'll show you the configuration so that you can understand. I've written a very simple demo classes to show you how Spring Scheduler works. So I have a class called text reader. This is the bean. It is a bean, and I want Spring to call this method every 2 seconds. That's what this cron expression means. So I have this scheduled annotation. This is from Spring Framework. Okay, so I have marked it on top of this method scheduled, and I have given cron expression. I am informing to the Spring Framework every 2 seconds call this method on this bean. Okay, and since it's component, it will be registered as a bean in the Spring container. And one more annotation is very important: enable scheduling. If you don't add this annotation, your scheduled annotations will not be detected by the Spring container. So this enables the detection of scheduled annotations on any Spring managed bean in the container. Spring provides enable scheduling annotation. We can achieve scheduling of the task. Enable scheduling is used with the configuration in Spring Java config. The bean which needs to be scheduled must have scheduled annotation. Actually, in our demo class we are having it. Okay, so now I'm going to run this method. You can see this method will be called every 2 seconds. Let me put a breakpoint so that you can understand how exactly Spring is calling it. Now the Java config file will be loaded. All my schedule annotations will be detected and my method will be called. Can you see this? I didn't call, I just configured it. Spring Framework is calling every 2 seconds. If you see here, breakpoints will come for every 2 seconds. I'm going to remove this, and it's going to continually run for every 2 seconds. Hope this video is useful and informative. Thank you and all the best.